I think the fact that you can do practical as well, that's what keeps them going. Once I say, come on, we're going to go downstairs and do some electron, they really enjoy that aspect of the course. T-level is a new government qualification that's come out, and it combines A-levels and vocational BTECs together really. So you get a bit of the theoretical and the practical hands-on, so you get a bit of both. I think a lot of students don't enjoy just doing rigorous theoretical A-levels all the time, and I think they get the chance to have some hands-on practical work. And at the end of a T-level, it's equivalent to 3 A-levels, so they can go to university or go into employment. The advantages for the employer are that they would have more practical skills when they go into the workplace, rather than having just A-level academia results. That have more hands-on, so when they say go and get a component from wherever, they know exactly what they're talking about. I absolutely love teaching. I've been teaching 22 years. I'm very passionate about teaching. And for me, I can't believe I'm getting paid sometimes, because when I get in there and you have a student that suddenly goes, I understand that now, it gives me such a feeling of joy. It's not a job, it's a vocation. I think this is a really exciting new qualification. I think it gives you a chance to go out in employment. It gives you the chance to do practical skills. It gets you all involved in teams. We'll go out on visits, we'll have guest speakers. I think as a whole, if you enjoy engineering, you will really enjoy this course.